let's see the leaves of the sensitive plant, that is Mimosa pudica. Let me show you. I am touching this plant and you see the change. So these leaves are wonderful. They actually react to stimuli, that is they are very very sensitive to touch. So these are another type of leaves which are very very sensitive to touch, because this plant is a very sensitive plant and it is very very sensitive to touch. So this is another wonderful leaf which I am showing you here. So leaves are also a wonder in themselves, and you can enjoy different type of leaves. See different type of leaves around you. See, they are natural wonders. They give beauty to the plant. And as you see here, these leaves are active leaves, means they have some movement also on touch. You can see how the leaves are immediately closing on touch. So stay tuned to Unique Learning and learn about such wonderful plants around you. Learn about their health benefits. Learn about what all the plants can do, what type of leaves, what type of stem, what type of roots are present around us. So happy learning. Stay tuned to Unique Learning. See, these are the plants of Touch Me Not or Mimosa pudica. The flowers have all dried up in this plant. So from these plants we can understand how there is movement in the plants, and plants show response to stimuli. So let me show you this. I am keeping my hand, see, on one of the leaves. So what is the reaction of the leaflets? Let's see. Doesn't show much reaction. Sensitivity has reduced, it seems, of these plants. Let's see here. This is maybe because of the cold weather condition. Sensitivity of the plants have reduced. So that is also a new change which you can see here. Yes, you can see the leaves of the plants have wilted on touching. See how they are drooping. When you touch the leaves of this plant, see, I am touching the leaves of the plant, and what is the reaction of the plant? It shows very less sensitivity, maybe in the cold weather conditions, because it's the month of December. So in this cold weather conditions, sensitivity of the plant or response to stimuli has reduced. Maybe the leaves have become stiff because of the cold weather. It is not being as sensitive as it was in the hot weather condition. See. So we can study about plants and the various reactions of the plants under various environmental conditions, and we can understand about them. See, the leaves have not closed of this Mimosa pudica, maybe because of the cold weather condition in which it has become very stiff. And here you can see the flowers have formed the seeds also. Let me test these leaves. Are they showing any reaction? No. The response to stimuli has minimized due to being stiff and because of the cold weather condition in which these plants are present. Now, very little response to stimuli they are showing. So let's learn about such wonderful aspects of the various plants around us and many more such things from our own channel, that is Unique Learning. So stay tuned to the channel, be a part of the channel, share it with your friends, and thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Happy learning.